Imagine making $150 per hour using your experience, your expertise, your qualification, and even your knowledge. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a website that can pay you up to $150 per hour for using your knowledge. Now, this is a website that you can use to work from home and make money online. Hey guys, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Mpho and I share content on how to make money online. If this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. This is a company that can pay you up to $150 per hour for doing freelance work on their platform. Some of the positions available here is for coding. Some you're going to be training AI. You're also going to be training AI for speaking and writing. And you can also come down to see some of the available positions right here. So I'm going to come up just to show you some of the reasons you would want to be a part of this company. So the first reason is that you're going to be working from the comfort of your own home and also setting your own schedule. You're going to earn extra cash, and not only that, but you're also going to expand your skills. They do have transparent pay, and their payment is competitive to other companies doing similar work. And you're also going to shape the future of AI. So on this platform, if you have qualifications or experience in coding, engineering, business, mathematics, law, and science, you can simply come and apply. So the name of the platform that I'm talking about, it is called Alignerr. This is how their homepage looks like. So here, as you can see, you can earn money by sharing your expertise. For you to sign up, you simply come here to where it says sign up now. Click there, and then you're going to get directed to a place where you can sign up. Now, after signing up, the sign up process is fairly simple. They're going to send you an email for you to activate your account by verifying your email address. Now, after verifying your email, they're going to send you another email. So in this email, you're going to be doing a couple of courses. Now, these are very simple courses just for you to familiarize yourself with the website, how it works, different projects, and how you can start working on the platform and the different terms that they use on the platform. Now, after completing those courses, you're going to head over to your dashboard and you're going to get an assessment which is 1 hour long. You're going to complete that assessment. After completing the assessment, you are then going to have an interview with their robot. The interview is very simple. Please don't be scared of doing that interview. You're going to be doing the interview with their robot, and then you're going to wait for them to assign you to different projects that are going to be available on their website, depending on your qualification, your expertise, your knowledge, and also your experience. And yes, guys, this is the website for today's video. Please take note that project availability is based on the country that you are located in, your experience, and also your qualifications. And we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. You found value in it. Please like this video, share it with family and friends that are looking to make money online. Until the next video.